that is lavender. So the importance and chemical composition of this lavender plant. Lavender plant having the botanical name Lavandula lin is a small genus of perennial aromatic herb, semi-shrubs or shrubs of the Lamiaceae family. It includes about 28 species. The species of this lavandula are extensively utilized for extracting the essential oil. These are true lavender, L. Angustifolia, male subspecies Angustifolia, then spike lavender, then next species is the lowest mill, then some another species is lavandin. So these are the some species of this lavender. The latter is the hybrid between true lavender and the spike lavender. True lavender is one of the most important essential oil which is used in the perfumery industries. Spike lavender uh, yields inferior oil which is less fragrant than the true lavender and the rosemary. So the lavandin possesses the characteristics of the both the parents and the yield of oil which combines the fragrance of true lavender and the crumphrocious harshness of the spike lavender. The lavandin oil is not as fine as lavender. Lavender oil has a delightfully clean, refreshing, and sweet odor. Its main constituent is the ester linaloyl acetate, which ranges from 30 to 60 percentage, and to which the characteristics lavender odor is attributed. So the another compound which is play important role in the odor is ethyl and amyl ketone. The free linalool is also a major component of the English lavender. Then these compounds is present in the lavender oil are A-pinene, then comphene, B-pinene, then limonene, cinonyl, cis-esmonine, then trans-oximane, camphor, then terpene 40L, then caryophyllene, lavandulyl acetate, lavandulol, A-terpenoid, and the boreneal. Is these are the components which is present in the lavender oil. So lavender oil is the one of the most important popular scent. It's refreshing the odor blends well with the many other essential oil. Then lavender water, a mixture of the oil in water and alcohol, is highly popular toilet articles in the England. The best quality oil, 50% of the ester is used in the preparation of the high grade perfumes. Second quality, 38 to 42% esters for the lavender water. Then toilet waters, UD Collins is and the low grade 30 to 35% of ester oil in the scenting of the soaps and the talcum powders. The oil is also used in a medicine as a flavoring agent and sometimes as a carminative. Lavender flower are used in the making of the sachet and the potpourri. The oil of lavender is used as a substitute for the true lavender oil. It is a considerable value in the soap industry on account of its microbial action. It is a nowadays finding increasingly used in the form of the aerosol for the disinfecting the houses, classrooms, and the public halls in the Europe. The origin, it is indigenous to the Mediterranean regions, growing wild in a higher hills of the southern France, Italy, and Bulgaria. It is also cultivated in several other countries, Europe, and the elsewhere. The area and production in India, it has been successfully cultivated at experimental scale in the Kashmir Valley. Presently, lavender is also grown in the low rainfall areas on the slopes of the Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. So this is the lavender plant. So lavender having the chromosome number 2n is equal to 42 or 48. It is perennial herbaceous bushy plants with straight woody branches, the lower of which are leafless, putting or the numerous herbaceous stems on a height of the 1 meter. These are the quadrangular grayish and the pubescent. The leaves are opposite, long, narrow, lanceolate, and the grayish green with a downy appearance. The flowers are densely packed in a layers and seems to be a whole. The flower is a mauve to violet shade tinged with a light blue color. So this lavender flower having the color lavender, and which is constituent of the essential oil, that is lavender oil. So this lavandin has two forms, the spike vero and the vero spike. The former has a general appearance like spike lavender, while the latter is like true lavender. The tufts of these spike vero are strongly developed, reaching over a 1 meter in height and 90 to 11 centimeter in a diameter within a row, and 120 to 170 towards the inter-row space. Its leaves are broad, shovel-like, and the gray-green. The floriferous stalk are usually branched. The ear is compact, long, slightly tilted. Its flowers are large and almost always sterile. The verospike forms smaller tufts, has darker green and less smoky leaves. The floriferous stalks are long but usually not branched. Then varieties in Bulgaria, 6 new varieties have been evolved through selection process. These are the Canzanuluk, Carolo, Humus, Aroma, Svezest, and the Venets. In addition, a few Soviet varieties like Steppe Nive, Gornia, Prime, Record, French Bermi, and the Labrius are the another varieties. So, this Bulgarian material introduced in the Kashmirs by the CINAP, that is Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plant, Lucknow, which is reported to yield the 80 to 100% more oil than the existing Bulgarian varieties. The oil of the present variety is superior to the old Bulgarian variety. The Carlo, some of the other important high yielding clones are AM1, AM2, AM3, A5, A7, A8, A9, B2, and B11. So, the cultivation practices, the soil requirement is light, well aerated, dry, and calcareous soils with the enough nutrients are the best suited for the lavender cultivation. Then poor carbonate and sandy soils are also suitable, but the waterlogging soil are unsuitable. Then the crop is reported to give the high herbs and the oil yields in the neutral and alkaline soil. The pH requirement is 7 to 8.4. Then climatic requirement. Lavender is a temperate photophilous plant. It does well only in those areas which has cold winters and the cool summers. Due to its very deep root system, lavender grows very well on a slope lands, thereby checking soil erosion to the great extent. It is resistant to the drought and the frost. Then lavender can be grown successfully on arable lands at a very high altitude. Then propagation, lavender may reproduces itself in two ways, by seeds and vegetatively. Seed reproductions is cheap and quick. However, due to cross pollination, a great variety of generation forms are observed, which is complicated lavender cultivation and harvesting at the most of the time. Then nursery seed propagation, the seeds are sown in a nursery beds in autumn, then in during the November to December. Then for 1 square meter area, 0.2 to 2.5 gram seeds are required. The seed sowing depth is 1 to 2 centimeter. The seeds germinate in a spring, April at the 14 to 15 degrees Celsius. The seedlings should be pruned periodically to avoid the follicle formation and to achieve the regular growth of the young plants. The vegetative propagation, the vegetatively lavender is propagated by the cuttings. These are obtained from the annual and the biennial branches of the mother plantation during the October-November in the plains and in the February-March on the hills. The cuttings should by 8 to 10 centimeter long with intact vegetative tops. The cuttings are treated with 500 ppm IBA, that is indole butyl acetic acid, to obtain the 95% of the rooting. Then beds are made and covered by the 5 centimeter thick layer of the organic manure and the sand in 1:1 proportion. Then topped by 3 to 4 centimeter of the clean river sand. The cuttings are struck at the 5 into 5 centimeter or 4 by 5 centimeter from each other, and in a depth 2 by 3 of the length of the cutting. The soil around the cuttings should be pressed down and immediately watered. A glass of the polythene cover should be used over the beds as well as the mats in the places that have the severe winters. Transplanting, the seedlings or rooted cuttings or the slips or the suckers are planted at a distance of the 1.20 to 1.40 meter between the rows and 3.5 to 4 centimeter within the rows. About the 20,000 plants per hectare gives the highest yield. Application of the fertilizers, the basal dose of 20 kg nitrogen, 40 kg phosphorus and 40 kg of potassium is applied before the planting. 80 kg of nitrogen per hectare is applied in 4 split dose during the each year. The CIMAP center at Srinagar has obtained the highest spike yield, 100 per kg per hectare by 150 kg nitrogen per hectare in lime plots. Irrigation during the dry periods. The crop must be irrigated frequently to obtain a good spike yield. The intercultural, during the first 2 years of the planting, 2 to 3 cultivations along the rows and 5 to 6 cultivations between the rows to a depth of the 8 to 10 centimeter are required. This keeps the soils loose and free of the weeds and helps in the proper development of the plants. Regular weeding and the hoeing is also important. Then lavender plantation, which over the 3 years should should be machine hoed 3 to 4 times between the rows. One digging is done before the blossoming in the spring. The training and the pruning. No training is required and the plants are allowed to grow until the harvest. The harvesting, extraction of the essential oil and the yield. The harvesting is done once the blooming was started. The whole plant, leaving the basal 1/3 of the plant for the natural regeneration, is harvested. Then fresh herbage is used for the steam distillation. Then extraction of the essential oil. The herbage is distilled using the steam distilled method. The essential oil contain the different varieties, varies from the 0.5% to 1.5% with the 0.8% of the average oil content. And about 10 tonnage of the fresh herbage is obtained in a 1 hectare. So this is all about your lavender plant. Again, this lavender plant is essential or important for your examination point of view. Then objective type of the questions: chemical constituent, then methods of the distillation, yield. These kinds of the question can be asked for the exam. So give me attendance. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4
Present, ma'am.
sorry 4 5
Present. Ma'am, 4 present.
yes 6 7 8
Present, ma'am.
भूतांब्रे तुझा नंबर किती आहे
7.
7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15
Present, ma'am.
15 16 17 18 19 20 21 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27
Present, ma'am.
20
26. Present, ma'am.
okay 28 29
Present, ma'am. 20. Present, ma'am.
30 31 32 33 34 35
Present, ma'am. 35.
36 37 38 39
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
40 41
Present, ma'am.
41 ओके 2018 40
37.
37
Present, ma'am.
2017च्या बॅचचा आहे का 18 नंबर ओके कोणाची अटेंडन्स राहिली आहे
Ma'am, 30. Roll number 2, ma'am.
हा ओके बरोबर आहेत बाकीच्यांचे आहे हो हो लावली आहे ओके सपोज उद्या जर जमलं तर मी एक एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर घेईल सॅटर्डेला 3 to 5 मध्ये तुमचं सेमिनार आणि गेस्ट लेक्चरच असतात ना त्यावेळेत घेईल ओके